Good afternoon, my dear student. This is a computer class for class 8 and it is a day number 9 and lecture number 9 for you. Student, as you already know that we are going from chapter number Database Management System, under which today I am going to explain you meaning of DBMS. See student, the database and DBMS are two different things. In your first lecture, I already explained you meaning of database, that is a database is a data structure that stores organized information. I am repeating, a database is a data structure that stores organized information. Now, DBMS. What is DBMS? Database Management System is a software package that allows data to be effectively stored, retrieved, and manipulated. I am repeating, Database Management System is a software package that allows data to be effectively stored, retrieved, and manipulated. So before move forward, first we have to understand that what is software. Okay, what is software? Software refers to programs that run on computers and perform specific function. I am repeating, software refers to programs that run on computers and perform specific function. And what is the full form of DBMS? Full form of DBMS is database management database management system. Full form of DBMS is database management system. Okay, students, a DBMS generally manipulates the data itself, the data format, field names, record structure, and file structure. Okay, it also defines rules to validate and manipulate the data. Now I'm giving you a very simple example. After this example, I hope you will be able to understand the meaning of DBMS. For example, if you have a pencil, eraser, sharpener, scale, so keeping all these stationery items, you need a box. Understood? And in the same way that you have a book and copy, then you need a bag to keep all book and copy in the same way. In the same way, for using data from database, we need a software that is a database management system. Okay, understood? Now I'm going to tell you who is the father of DBMS. Who is the father of DBMS? Dr. E. F. Dr. E. F. Codd is the father of the DBMS. Who is the father of the DBMS? Dr. E. F. Codd, known as the father of database management system. Okay, beta. DBMS provide an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing data in it, updating data, creating a table in the database, and lot of more. Examples of DBMS is MS Access, Oracle, SQL. Okay, these are the example of DBMS: MS Excel, Oracle and SQL. In your class 8 you will learn MS Access. Okay, now DBMS task. DBMS allows users following tasks. What are the tasks allows by DBMS? First is data definition. Data definition. Data definition. Second is data updation. Data updation. What is data updation? Third is data retrieval. Data retrieval. Fourth is data administration. Data administration. Okay, administration. First is data definition, second is data updation, third is data retrieval, and fourth is data administration. Okay, let me explain these tasks one by one. First is data definition. What is data definition task? It is used for creation, modification, and removal of definition that defines the organization of data in the database. I am repeating, it is used for creation, modification, and removal of definition that defines the organization of data in the database. Okay. Second task is data updation. It is used for the insertion, modification, and deletion of the actual data in the database. What is updation? It is used for the insertion, modification, and deletion of the actual data in the database. Understood? Now third is data retrieval. What is data retrieval? It is used to retrieve the data from the database. I am repeating, it is used to retrieve the data from the database. And fourth and last one is user administration. It is used for registering and monitoring users, enforcing data security. What is administration? It is used for registering and monitoring users, enforcing data security. Okay, which can be used by applications for various purposes. See student, for example, school database organizes the data about school staff and student, etc. Now this is the lesson for today. Now note down the homework for today. Today's homework is learn the following questions. Learn the following question. Learn the following questions. Okay. First question is, your first question is, what is the full form? What is the full form of DBMS? Okay, DBMS. Second question is, who is the father of DBMS? So learn these two questions. Okay, DBMS. Okay, first is, what is the full form of DBMS and who is the father of DBMS? So it is the question, it is the homework for today. This is the lesson for today. Tomorrow I will explain you the next topic. Till now, stay home, Stay safe. Thank you.